Hello everyone, today I will learn how to change the cabin air filter on a Chevy Epica. First open the hood and head to the upper left of the engine compartment. The filter is under this plastic protection. We see that we need to get only one clip. To do this, I recommend taking a mini screwdriver or a knife and slowly prying over the middle part of the clip until it comes out about half. And now we just take out the clip with your hands. We move to the windshield and here we lift this rubber gasket to take it easy for use to pull out the plastic protection. Now, without much effort, we can lift this plastic and see our filter, which we have been getting through for so long. I recommend prying it on the right edge, it's more convenient. It just lifts up and easy to reach. My filter has been out for about a month and it's already dusty like this, so change the filter as often as possible and your lungs will be safe. I will add the number of this filter on the screen and in the description of the video to make it easy for you to find it. In general, you take your new filter further and put it back. Of course, you will have to sweat a little, but it will be easier for you with two hands than for me now. When you release that headset in the seat, just lower the plastic protection and push the clip into place. I recommend pulling out the center part of the clip and first inserting the larger part into the hole and then the middle. Now at the windshield, we added the rubber seal and close the hood. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I could help you.